Okay, what we got going on here today is we got this here Delco Remy ignition switch, you know, and it's brand new. It's never been over. It's new old stock. To open this, you gotta pull the string on it, and we're gonna see what's in here.
Okay, Bela. Pull the string.
Bella, I will pull the string, but first we got to open up this other stuff. So just be a little patient, okay?
Oh, okay.
All right. You know, I love eBay. It's like Christmas all the time, and I ordered this stuff, and it's all pretty much new old stock. And this here, as you can see, it's a power steering hose assembly. Let's take a look at it. And I mean, looks brand new to me. You know, I still need to get the pressure hose. That's going to be difficult to find, I think. All right, let's see what's in this little bag. Dang you. I know what's in here, but I haven't opened it up yet. And in here we got old bus fuses, whatever you want to call them. These things are getting expensive. Wow, this guy double wrapped it. Come on. Wow. Let's see. This ain't for you. Get away. All right. I'm going to have to get him out of here. Yeah. Okay. You know, I bought these sight unseen. I can tell some of these I can use. The real long ones won't fit in there. I was hoping to get more of these short type ones. Yeah, I got, you know, it's okay. These here I don't need, but that's it. Okay, we got rid of the little helper. He was just too much. Let's see what's in this one. The brake parts line. Brake parts. This I needed for sure. The one I had was shot. NOS brake switch. So this definitely need. I got a good price on it. It was like $14.50, free shipping and handling. I saw others on there for a lot more. All right, last but not least, got to open up this one. Yeah. This one's packed very good too. This I didn't really need, but maybe I did, because the one I got on there, I don't know if it's good or not. It looks kind of shabby. And when I saw this, I says, I got to get it because the price was right. Look at this horn relay. And it is like, you know, this looks beautiful. I'll show you the one on the car in another video. When I put this on, you'll see why I wanted it. Okay, now, what was it I was gonna do? I can't remember.
Pull the string. Pull the string. Pull the string.
What was that you said, Bella?
Fuck you! Pull the string! Pull the string! Pull the string!
Okay. That guy makes me nervous. I ain't kidding you. Okay, pull the string. I hope I do it right. I wonder when this was put in this box. I looked at, I couldn't find, there's no date. But look at that baby. There he comes again. Who let him in? And this will, of course, hook right into that switch, the socket, plug in. And then this will go in here. And hopefully, before too long, this is set up, I don't know how this works because it's a little different. Probably don't need this now. It was for the light. We'll find out. But there you go, everybody. And God, you, come on out of here. Get out. And that's about it. But while we're here, here's some old baseball cards. New York Giants. Remember the New York Giants? They also had another team there called the Brooklyn Dodgers. Of course, they moved to California. These cards are, I don't know, 1953, 54, something like that. Then you got here the Philadelphia Athletics. The symbol was that elephant. They moved too. Oakland A's, I think they moved to Kansas City though before that. I can't remember. I'm getting old. Here's the Boston Braves. See, that B is for Boston. That's where the Braves got their start. And they moved to Milwaukee and then to Atlanta. And here's a team everybody's forgotten. St. Louis, and it's not the Cardinals. St. Louis Browns, American League team. And the symbol was a little brownie. And then just while I'm here, if you've watched every one of my videos, you might have heard me mention this car. I had this back when I was stationed at Fort Bragg. I bought this in Alabama, actually, at a place outside of Fort Rucker. And I keep saying I'm going to make a video about it. I did restore it. It was running when I bought it, but it was in real bad shape. And I'm going to make a video about this. It's I don't have to tell you, it's a very rare car. I'll tell you more about it in the video. 59 Buick Hearse. Everybody have a great day and hope you like that video. Share and subscribe.